If you're in the market for a powerful cleaning tool that can tackle your home's toughest messes, you're probably considering two of the top contenders, the Dyson Wash G1 and the Shark Power Detect. Both of these devices come packed with features designed to make your cleaning routine easier, but they each take a different approach to getting the job done. The Dyson Wash G1 offers innovative wet cleaning with dual microfiber rollers, perfect for handling spills and stains on hard floors. Meanwhile, the Shark Power Detect brings serious vacuuming power with its Duo Clean roller system, complete with Floor Detect technology that adapts to different surfaces. But which one should you invest in? Let's break down the key features and see which comes out on top. Let's start with design and build quality. Dyson is known for its sleek, premium designs, and the Wash G1 is no exception. With its striking blue metal wand and clear elements revealing the rollers, it's a device that looks as high-end as it feels. The setup is incredibly simple. Just a few clicks, and you're ready to go. However, the Wash G1 is heavy, especially when lifting it onto its charging base or up and down stairs. At 4.6 kg without water, you'll need a bit of muscle to maneuver it. On the other hand, the Shark Power Detect, while also on the heavier side at 17.5 pounds, offers a robust build that feels solid and reliable. The powered lift-away feature adds versatility, allowing you to detach the canister for easier above-floor cleaning. Shark's design might not be as flashy as Dyson's, but it's practical, with features like LED lights for better visibility, and a complete seal HEPA filtration system that traps 99.99% of dust and allergens. It is engineered to handle various surfaces, from carpets to hard floors. With its Duo Clean roller system, it features a soft roller for hard floors and a traditional roller for carpets, delivering a versatile cleaning experience. Now let's talk about what really matters: cleaning performance. The Dyson Wash G1 is a wet floor cleaner that takes mopping to a whole new level. It features two microfiber filament rollers that counter-rotate to remove spills, debris, and stains. The pulse-modulated hydration pump ensures the right amount of water is delivered through 26 hydration points, making even the toughest stains disappear with ease. But don't expect it to replace your vacuum. It's designed for wet and dry debris on hard floors, not for carpets or rugs. The Shark Power Detect, however, is a vacuum that excels on both hard floors and carpets. Its Duo Clean roller system, featuring a soft roller at the front and a traditional roller at the back, makes debris pickup almost flawless. The active hair removal system is a game-changer for pet owners, and the Floor Detect feature automatically adjusts suction power based on the surface you're cleaning. Whether you're dealing with fine dust or large debris, the Power Detect handles it all with impressive power and precision. In terms of ease of use, the Dyson Wash G1 glides effortlessly across your floors, almost like it's floating. You barely need to exert any effort, making it a joy to use. The LCD display on the wand keeps you informed about the hydration mode and battery life, ensuring you never run out of juice mid-clean. However, it's not without its quirks. The debris tray can be fiddly, especially when dealing with soggy debris, and getting it onto the charging base can be a bit of a workout. The Shark Power Detect, despite its weight, offers precise swivel steering and a lightweight handle that makes it easy to navigate around furniture and tight corners. The powered lift-away feature gives you the flexibility to clean above floors without dragging the entire unit around. However, it does have a pull-forward effect on thinner carpets in the stick vacuum mode, which can be a bit tiring on the arm. Still, the combination of powerful suction, advanced detect features, and versatile attachments make it a highly user-friendly option. Now, let's talk about value. Both of these machines come with a hefty price tag. The Dyson Wash G1 is exceptionally expensive, but it's a niche product that excels in its specific role. If your home is primarily hard flooring, it's an investment that could change how you see mopping forever. The Shark Power Detect, while also pricey, offers more versatility. It's a top-tier vacuum that can handle a wide range of cleaning tasks, from carpets to hard floors and even above-floor surfaces. For those who need an all-in-one cleaning solution, the Power Detect might offer better overall value. Both the Dyson Wash G1 and the Shark Power Detect bring impressive features to the table, each excelling in different areas. The Dyson Wash G1 is a specialist, offering powerful wet cleaning for hard floors with a sleek design and advanced technology. On the other hand, the Shark Power Detect is all about versatility, providing strong suction across various surfaces, from carpets to hardwood. Whether you prioritize deep cleaning for your hard floors or need an all-around performer, both of these cleaners offer robust solutions to keep your home looking its best. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.